Hello. We're going to take a look at the call list feature of the GTT call application. This is in fact the second version of the video. Okay, let's start the program as usual. Okay, after a brief login, okay, we land on the load board, and then we will try to the call button. Okay, now we have normal calls and call list. We go directly to call list. The call list will display every list available on the database, subjected to filters. Okay, to access the filters, we touch the upper right button and it brings the filter dialog. Okay, we have a call list type filter, we have an owner filter, we have the usage filter, okay, and we have an ordering options, okay, and obviously ascending or descending order, which we can return off and on here. To update the list, we simply press again the option button, okay, and we refresh the list. Okay, the list will display a limited number of entries. Okay, if we scroll down, it'll show a more button. Upon pressing it, it will keep adding more and more until we run out of call lists. Okay, so assuming that we found our list, okay, which we can, by the way, use the search feature to find it by name. Okay, let's say, I don't know, McAllen. There is no McAllen. I don't know, Texas. Well, Chicago. All right, we have this Chicago list. We can find it, but for now, let's try this test list. Okay, if you want to look at the numbers inside the list, we swipe to the left, okay, and it appears a new window with the call list information and the numbers. That list can be searched too by name or by number. Okay, to go back, swipe to the right. Okay, so let's see the options. Okay, there are small amount of options right now. Okay, the options are the following. Obviously, the register voice IP number. Okay, whether you want to automatically fetch calls, okay, or whether you want to automatically call the number once it's fetched. Okay, the other option is what the system will do if it receives a call to that number. Okay, you might do nothing, you might go to voicemail, or you might forward the call to the user's phone. The user's phone is a phone that is registered on the web application account belonging to the user. Okay, anyway, if you change something, you have to save it. Otherwise, if you turn off the phone or go out of the application, it won't be saved. So we have to press this get like button at the bottom. Okay, so let's go through a call list. Okay. The first thing is that once you select the call list, you have to activate. Okay. Automatically, it fetches the first number. So we want to call it. The call begins. Let's pretend that it stops. It ends now. Okay. Then we have to enter the disposition. Okay, the disposition, as you might know, is call list type specific. Every call list type has its own set of dispositions. Excuse me. So you might be able to associate some notes, okay, to every call. If you want, you might write those. If you touch the transcript memo to go out, to press the Go to Talkers icon button, or if you press this big mic button while you're pressing, if you talk, the application will understand and will write it down. Okay? We are not going to do that because we are recording and it conflicts with the speech recognition subsystem. Once you're done, press the done button, and then you select the disposition. Let's say that the call went okay, and you can press finish call. Okay? Because the call is automatic, it will dial the next number automatically. Okay? So let's stop here and voicemail, for example, and finish my call. Okay? Because it is the last call on the list, it will tell you that the end of the list is reached. The only available option is to exit list. Okay? So we exit. Let's do this one more time because I need to show you something. Let's activate the list again. The list is reset because we already went through all the numbers. Okay? Let's hold it. Alright. The internet is a little bit slow here. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Now mode. I need to show you something. Let's pretend that we ended already. This little pause button at the right of the finish call is used to pause the call list automatic traversal. Okay, so if I press this button, okay, it will pause the call list. It won't be automatic. Okay, so if I finish my call, it won't go to the next call automatically unless I call it again. If I call it again, it will retake the auto feature. Alright? So, it's busy, voicemail, finish call, and there we're done. Then we're done. Okay, and well, this is it. This is the call list feature of the VoIP call list application, Go to Talkers. Thank you very much.